front of us, love. There's something you need to share with your husband. This is the time to do it.
Here is the night that did you come home from the trip and the guy told you that I was under a blanket with a guy? Yes, that's true. I was under a blanket with a guy, but nothing took place under that blanket. It was cold. You know how cold it was when you left. I'm sorry. I should have just been up front with you when. But I knew it would have just went from there to there to there.
That's where it went. That's where it went. In my book, that's where it went.
But that's not what it was.
What would you be doing under the blanket with another guy? That ain't where it went.
Oh, facts.
Jay, seriously, leave it alone so you take it off the damn thing. Okay. This is what I try to do.
She see I got the camera rolling on now. So what's the next exercise?
I don't know.
Can Willow do her exercise?
No.
Why?
Oh, Pop.
Pop. It's not pop. It's an energy drink.
Hi, Mama.
Bet.
No, Mama.
Alright.
No, Mama. Mama.
Jace, get off that. Get off, Jace. What else? Get away from me. Stop touching me.
Pop.
There's no pop. That's the energy drink. I can give you some juice. Bruh. I didn't put the soap in nothing. Okay, so what I did was, I left this, huh? No, so the soap was on the, the utensils, the forks and stuff like that. So I just rinsed it under the water, but I didn't rinse it all the way because since we didn't have no soap for the thing, I'm like, I'll just leave the soap on it. So I gotta wipe it up. Damn. How this dirt get right here? Huh? Jace, look at your hands. Right? Look what you just did to the wall. You see that? Dirty. So you need a wipe for that. Now I gotta try to clean whatever that is that's on that wall. Yeah. I'm like,
Frank is a fantastic. He's a fast
sorry to say that. So we finally got the stuff that was off the wall. The fingerprint. Bro, there's no more. Stop. Because every time you touch this was just clean. Come on now. Get your head in the game. What your shirt say? What your shirt say? Let me see. Say Siri, what is the weather like in Arizona right now?
I just hope.
Oh, period.
Jeez, 111, 110, 108.
112.
Oh, do I think I want to live in Arizona? I think nice in Arizona though. Even though I gotta still take a vacation and go see how it is. Some water. Bro, y'all don't understand. I had 2 videos I made and them bitches got deleted. I'm sick as hell. I'm getting fat too. Like it's not even me just.
This man doesn't
poking
get
it
up
out
and
like
run up
I'm-
out of the studio like somebody is burning down his house or something again. Because we have to get this song done. We on crunch time. Where did we leave off?
Titties all
Yeah.
out.
We finished it, but I think we want to hear it like individually. So we might want to sample a little bit.
Hello.
Alright, cool. So shit, when it's time. I guess.
Seem like the vlog we want to see you the most. It's like they be like Skip me, Jordan, Jace. It's like they just want to see you. Like okay, cool, you can have it. Just make sure when you get that money, me and Mama get a sample. You hear me?
Turn it up. Yeah.
Sample percentage.
That's a bad boy.
See,
Bruh.
Bro, I don't think my daughter or my son should be watching Bad Boys.
I mean, he wasn't in here.
You really got her. You really got Willow watching Bad Boys.
Well, I try to
That
be,
is not the right thing to do.
No, I try to be like.
Now we said we supposed to want our kids to be educated, not.
You know, I told myself I wanted to be, like the cartoon kind of mom. But sometimes that shit gets annoying.
Bad Boys though, she watching niggas get fist punched,
That wasn't
niggas
fighting.
being gay, people
Well, she
kissing
couldn't
each
fight, that
other,
wasn't kissing.
guys shaking their ass.
Jace, don't. Nope. No fight right now.
Then she watching a woman's one, like.
She wasn't watching that.
So you.
Willow, don't you start that mess. When she get to breathing hard, it's like, you know she finna start whining.
Heck, you know. Well, anyways, y'all, we about to end off this vlog. I guess they about to finish watching Bad Boys. What your shirt say?
I don't know, something your grandma bought me.
No,
Oh,
read,
say baby
read it.
girl.
Oh, okay. I just asking.
Wow.
I was asking. I'm weird. I'm weird because I asked him what your shirt say. I asked him what his shirt say.
Daddy,
And his vlog.
daddy,
He said what?
daddy.
Anyways, we out.